Euan, thanks very much for joining us on day one of Subsea Expo. How's the show been for you so far?
Hi Dan. Yeah, it's been good so far. We've just arrived early this morning, getting to grips with everything, been around speaking to clients, old and new. I like coming to the Subsea Expo. There's a lot of new technology here, and then being from an engineering background myself, the engineering efforts that go into some of these technologies is just mind-blowing to me. So it's a good walk around, yeah.
Definitely some really interesting technology on display. We've just had the first plenary session of the morning where we had oil and gas operators alongside first-tier contractors and for the first time floating wind on stage. I thought that was a really interesting dynamic. So for those unfamiliar with JCE, give us a quick overview of your organisation and where you operate.
Yeah, so we're JCE. We design and build EX control system, electrical control systems for both onshore and offshore applications, and subsea, of course. We're a global company with a global reach. We provide full turnkey services from design, manufacturing, installation, commissioning, and inspections as well.
Good stuff. And what's happening within the business just now? Any specific projects or products that you want to talk about?
Quite a lot's happening at the moment. Here at the Subsea Expo, we're showcasing our Subsea Light Path unit. It's essentially a fibre optic light guidance system for the divers. It wraps around the umbilicals and allows the divers and the ROVs to see where the divers are and the umbilical, ensuring it doesn't get damaged, wrapped up, and particularly in murky waters, deep sea, the divers can see exactly where the umbilical is. So that's one of the innovations we're bringing in. We're seeing a lot of push towards renewable systems at the moment as a company. This is where we're fairly progressing in across the globe. Even with the downturn in the North Sea, the global activity is very encouraging. So, yeah.
No, I think that there's a little bit of talk about some light on the horizon this morning from some of the plenary sessions, so that's interesting to hear. And final question really then is what we can expect from your organisation over the next kind of 2 to 3 years.
So we are continuing to develop our core product lines from our EXD enclosures up to the full systems integration. We're adopting a lot of new technology at the moment, particularly with our hybrid solar and battery systems for NUIs. So the renewable sector technology is growing every single year. There's new innovations coming out, and we're working to adopt them into our systems to provide a more efficient system for the client every year. We've just developed our new solar panel range as well. So they're now the full range is certified for EX Zone 1 and Zone 2, IECX and ATEX. So that's given us a much larger scope and allowing us to reach out to a lot more clients.
Excellent.